In this session, we are going to demonstrate the Faraday effect experiment. The purpose of this experiment is to observe the effect of magnetic field on the transmission of linearly polarized light through a dispersive medium to measure the Verdet constant of the material. The Faraday effect is a magneto-optic effect in which a plane polarized light is rotated as it passes through a medium that is in a magnetic field. The amount of rotation depends on the amount of sample through which the light passes and the strength of the magnetic field and the proportionality constant, which is also called as the Verdet constant. Verdet constant can be found out from the equation V is equal to theta LB, where theta is the angle of rotation and B is the magnetic field and L is the length of the glass rod. The experimental setup consists of a diode laser of wavelength 635 nanometer and a polarizer and an electromagnet with a glass rod. This electromagnet is connected to a power supply. Here we are using SF10 as the material in the electromagnet and an analyzer and a photodetector which is connected to a measuring unit. First we align the laser beam in order to pass through the center of the axis of the coil containing the glass rod and the center of the detector. Then we rotate the polarizer to get maximum intensity at the detector. After that, we place the second polarizer, that is the analyzer, and rotate it to the position of minimum intensity. Then we switch on the power supply of the electromagnet. Then we set the current as 0.4 ampere. And rotate the screw of the analyzer to get the minimum intensity position. We are rotating the analyzer to get the minimum intensity position. Okay. And we will note down this value. We have to note the angle of rotation from the dial of the analyzer. Then we will repeat the experiment for different current at an interval of 0.4 ampere and the corresponding angle of rotation should be noted. From the current value, you can calculate the magnetic field using the equation B is equal to pi Ni, where N is the number of turns per unit length of the coil and I is the current. Number of turns of the coil is 2508 and length of the coil is 15 centimeter. You can find the Verdet constant using the equation V is equal to theta LB, where L is the length of the glass rod, that is 10 centimeter. You also have to plot the graph between magnetic field and the angular rotation.